We're at Sun Valley. We're at our packaging facility just outside Reedley. Reedley is in the heart of the Central Valley. Collectively as a family, we farm a little over 5,000 acres. I'm a fourth generation farmer, started with my great-grandfather in the late 60s. The farming operation grew in a major way in the early 80s where he brought his sons on board, which would be my dad and my uncle. And we were quickly introduced, as young kids, 7, 8 years old. And I've been a part of the farming operation and the packing and business operation since I was, 14, 15 years old. We spend 365 days a year growing that piece of fruit, molding that piece of fruit from a blossom into a small piece of fruit, making sure that we've got the optimum size piece of fruit, colors, sugars, everything to get it to them. We send harvest crews through our fields 4 to 5 times, hand selecting each piece of fruit, delivering it in soft touch bins, running it through our packaging facility. And then by customer, we select the right sizes, grades, sugars, contents, everything.
We utilize drip irrigation, the double line drip. We are able to water less, fertilize less, and get a better product. By using the double line drip, we're cutting our cost significantly, and we're providing just enough to keep this tree in the optimum level that we want it to be. The soil is what provides. And so we're trying to do our best to keep it healthy, keep it going, because as long as that's there, we're there.
We've got employees that are just like our family that are 3rd, 4th generation. We've helped them purchase land, purchase dirt. They farm under our umbrellas, they run through our channels here. So it's been a great opportunity to keep their family business and our family business working together. About 2,000 seasonal employees. We have a free of use healthcare clinic outside Selma for 100% of the employees' families and children. As technology has advanced, artificial intelligence, camera recognition systems have been able to offer us an opportunity to give our end consumers and our retail partners a more consistent product. We've invested about $15 million in this facility in the last 12 months with the help of Golden State Farm Credit.
Golden State Farm Credit financed real estate purchases, additions to the packing house and cold storage facility here, along with solar financing and equipment financing. The solar installation is a 1 megawatt system on the ground and a 1 megawatt system on the roof of the facility that offsets more than 80% of the utility usage of the plant. Sun Valley Packing's values align with Golden State Farm Credit's values because they're invested into the sustainability of their operation, and Golden State Farm Credit is invested in that same sustainability goal.
Sustainability for us, it's the people, it's the planet, it's the product.
Working with customers like Sun Valley Packing makes my job easy.
Golden State Farm Credit has been a partner of the Jones family in Sun Valley for close to 50 years. We would not be where we are without Golden State Farm Credit.